It's not that I want you here, yeah. It's something about the way you said to my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear.
Welcome back, guys. You know, so from I see the name, I see the box. Yeah, we here with Nadula again, and I'm excited as usual to see what we're about to get into with today's wig look. So let's get to it. As usual, you know, them have them, so you know, slogan and stuff in the box. Says don't quit, don't stop, don't give up, keep moving. I love that. All right, so first thing, I'm seeing a wig, and then I got a pair of this HD wig cap. Also got a branded Nadula elastic band, and then lastly in the box I got a goodie bag. So it has another pair of the HD wig caps, a patterned elastic band, perfect for your edges, and then a pair of, you know, a pair of 3D eyelashes. Also got a brush. One thing about Nadula, they're gonna send you a brush, okay? And I love that. So that's everything in terms of goodies. Now let's get into the wig. So this is a wig we're working with today. It's 24 inches long, by the way. So it's given natural, nice blowout. So this is actually their Kinky straight lace front. It's a 13x4 lace front wig. So I'm really delighted. This is how it looks. It comes with a medium brown lace and everything, and the edges are like that kinky curly kind of vibe. It's pre-plucked, it feels good, it looks good. The hair is very full. All right, it's a natural 1B color for the hair, and let me show you the inside. So as I said, it's a 13x4, and it has a total of 3 combs on the inside, along with this elastic band, which is adjustable, which is great for security. You guys know this. It's also removable, so if you don't need it, you can remove it. And you know, you have adjustable straps in the back to make the cap tighter or looser. And the cap is also a medium size that I got. In terms of the density, I'm just tightening it. In terms of the density, I'm gonna go ahead and put all the specs as usual in my description box, so please go ahead and be sure to check that out for further information. You know, if I have any discount code or anything on this gorgeous wig. I know a lot of my chicas love a good textured kinky straight type of hair, and this is really beautiful. This is gorgeous. I'm very excited to go ahead and get started with today's install, because this looks really good. So now that I got through the type of wig that we're working with, let's go ahead and jump into the installation.
It's not that I want you here, yeah. It's something about the way you said to my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear.
I absolutely love the fit. So what I'm gonna do is actually do a really nice and quick glue install with this. Of course, I have excess lace on the side I need to cut away. I'm gonna do that, and I'm gonna just go in with my Lace to Be Gone glue and get it nice and laid.
Every time I try to resist, you get away. Palm trees, beach views, and everything. All I wanna do is in the pictures on replay. Right next to you, you do. Try not to show how I feel about you. You wish you were, but you don't really want to. I just wanna get away and sit right next to you. You, I wanna kiss you, yeah.
And then I always think having the kinky edges just make everything super like realistic looking, because it's just so textured. I feel like the textured edge really just adds to the whole vibe. So love that. So now that I went ahead and cut away the excess on the sides of the cap, I'm gonna go ahead and start on the glue portion, which I'm gonna speed through.
I
guys, so you see I did these two little twiny things here, and I'm showing you basically that you can part this hair anywhere in the front that you please, because it's a 13 by 4 as I said before. You can get a nice side part, you know. 13 by 4 is pretty normal with the depth, but at least you have space to work with all the way across the front, you know, on either side. So that's really, really nice, and I love that. You can have fun with it. As you can see, I did this cute little hairstyle, these two pieces of things here, and it's just so cute. So what I'm gonna do is thoroughly go through the entire wig with my flat iron, get it nice and bone straight, well, as straight as possible, because you know it's a really nice thick kinky straight texture. And I'm gonna fast forward through this portion as well, so let's go.
Then dip me underway. You can feel my mind for flow, flow, flow. Hold me till I scream for air, breathe. And wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins, all your...
This is the finished product. Oh my gosh, you see how this turned out? The movement is so nice. Like, it was so big, but you know, we tamed everything. The hair looks good. The partings look very clean, looks very nice and realistic, so I'm very pleased with how it turned out. And did this little style. The movement is beautiful. The hair is also very full, so it's really doing what it's supposed to do. Like, it looks like scalp, you know. So they did their thing. Even though it's a 13 by 4, you could definitely get a good amount of, like, you could part it anywhere in the front that you like, as I said before. So Nadula here, shout out to you. You're doing your best with, you know, improving the quality of your wigs, and I really do appreciate that. In terms of shedding, I did get shedding, but it was more on the minimal level, so I was still able to work with it and stuff. But yeah, I'm really enjoying this style. I've never really done it before. It's really, really cute. Like, it's really cute, and the hair is just so full. It feels like a natural blowout. Like, it feels really strong. Feels like the hair is gonna, you know, be this full for a long time, like durable. So I'm really pleased with that. So yeah, for sure I'm going to drop the direct link to this wig in my description box, so please go ahead and shop this wig if you're interested. Down below also the specifications will be listed, so check them out. And if I have any discount codes available, it will also be there. So shout out to Nadula here. If you guys enjoyed today's video, if you found it informative, go ahead, give it a thumb up, subscribe if you're not yet, subscribe, and stay tuned to see my next wig look. So until then, just go and make up on yourself. Bye.